A career in information systems involves managing and leveraging technology to support an organization's goals and objectives. This field works across industries, supporting computer systems, software applications, databases, network design, internal process analysis, and technology implementation. If you are intrigued by cutting-edge technologies, innovation-driven data insights, and improving business operations, there are many opportunities for you within information systems. We are often asked by students, what does a career in information systems look like? Within this field, there are many different opportunities available, with some of the most common being data analytics, supply chain, technology consulting, project management, and IT sales. Top skills that employers in the information systems field are looking for from students are technically savvy. For example, data visualization tools like Google Data Studio or Power BI, Microsoft Excel, as well as proficiency in coding languages such as C++, Python, or Java. Analytical aptitude, project management, attention to detail, and creative problem solving. Those who wish to continue with the information systems upon graduation tend to enter the workforce in the following top 5 new grad roles: Business Systems Analyst, Junior Technology Consultant, Inventory and Data Analyst, IT Analyst, and IS Analyst. In recent years, some of the new emerging careers in the information systems industry are cybersecurity, blockchain, cloud computing, digital transformation, AI and machine learning, and UX/UI design. DeGroote offers many industry partnerships across the following sectors: manufacturing, technology and innovation, healthcare, government, and nonprofit. Through on-campus recruitment, networking events, alumni coffee chats, and experiential learning opportunities, there are many ways to build your network and connect with employers. Remember, your career possibilities are not limited to the examples provided in this video. A component of career learning and development is understanding what opportunities are best for you and your goals. If you're interested in learning more, please book an appointment with a member of the Career and Professional Development team here at DeGroote.